Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Thursday, December 8th, 2016. Take a look at the drop on Las Vegas Sands here. This is being mirrored by WYNN Resorts as well. Both stocks down over 10%. This all occurred late in the trading day. If I flip to the intraday 10-minute chart, you can see exactly what happened. So basically, let me go into the details, then we'll talk about trade levels on these stocks. So first off, WYNN Resorts, Las Vegas Sands, they have big casinos in Macau, right? In, China-controlled Macau. Well, China came out and basically said they're going to cap ATM withdrawals in Macau. Now, this is huge, guys, because, the whole thing is these casinos love the fact that people, think about it. If anyone who's been to a casino, you go to a casino, you bring a couple $100, you lose it, right? Well, what do? Do you say, okay, I'm done in 20 minutes? No, you go to the ATM and withdraw money. So, this is huge. And this is really capping things for potentially for these casino stocks and these casino companies. Again, I've known people. Listen, I haven't. I don't think. Maybe I have. I don't know. But I've heard of people going to the ATM 4, 5, 6, 10 times to withdraw hundreds, thousands of dollars, tens of thousands actually, as well. So I want to be clear on that. That is a very key thing that they're doing. And LVS and Las Vegas Sands, Las Vegas Sands and WYNN Resorts. Look at the stocks. The stocks are definitely showing that that's a major issue here. Now, let's go to the daily chart and discuss some trade levels. So, number one, notice the big drop here. We wiped out these pivot lows on the daily chart of LVS. However, guys, if you zoom out, this is very important. All right, see this little pivot right here? What I want you to do is you want to put a trend line right there and a trend line right here. So these are two pivots you're watching, and notice how you pierced the first one and went in between the second one. So this is telling you there's a lot of support here. The area is right around $54. So 54 is a big support on Las Vegas Sands. But I will tell you this, it is not the place I am buying LVS. Why not? Well, because to be honest, this might not be just a one-day event. In fact, I could see these stocks gapping lower tomorrow. Now, if they gap lower, I have a major secondary level that I will be potentially starting to accumulate at, and that is at the even number of $50 right here. So if this drops another 4.5 tomorrow or so and tags $50, I think that's where you start to inch into the position. Now, I wouldn't go all in. What I would do is do a partial position, maybe a half position, and then stay on the sidelines with your other half for a secondary level I have right here. All right, so again, we can erase these top ones because I was just showing you why it's into a key level here. These are your ones where you want to buy $50, and then right here, buy your second half at $47.75. So again, $50, $47.75. That is your accumulation zone. There's a huge support line right here, as well as right here as well. That is, again, your spot. Now, let's go to Las Vegas Sands real quick and just take a look, because that stock's getting crushed. Now, this is a little trickier because there's not as many key levels that are obvious. But what you're going to do, you can zoom out on the chart and see back quite a ways. But what I want you to do is take the low pivot here, going back to January of 2016, put a trend line there and extend it up to this secondary low right here. All right. Now, this gives us our first entry price. So basically, if WYNN Resorts, if it drops to about $85.75 tomorrow, which is very likely, you can start to nibble. And again, I wouldn't do more than a half position. Half position should be your max there. Secondary position should be at a double bottom right down here at around 82.5. And that's your accumulation zone on WYNN. So again, folks, this is what it's all about. By the way, just to mention, my business partner, Nick, he scored a 350% winner on options on Lululemon today. Just a monster gain for members. Great job there. And again, I accumulated more positions today that are already in the money. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Take the 7-day free trial and join us. Again, it's 7 days free. Sign up to the Research Center at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Take care.